To ensure a correct measurement, a zero adjustment, tearing, must be performed on the silent flow sensor during commissioning and at regular intervals. The silent flow sensor is installed and electrically connected. Extraction is not in operation. Press the button for approximately 5 seconds. After approximately 2 seconds, a single acoustic signal sounds for setting the warning threshold. Continue to hold down the button. After approximately 5 seconds, a double acoustic signal sounds to perform the zero adjustment. Release the button. The displays flash alternately. The zero adjustment is performed. After approximately 5 seconds, the silent flow sensor returns automatically into operating mode. The zero adjustment is completed.